What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to swap out a dead battery on your car. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these car projects and household projects. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so our car battery is over here. The first thing we're going to do to get this thing out is you're going to have a battery support mount. This keeps your battery nice and tight. You're going to want to go ahead and loosen. There's usually 2 bolts, one here and one here. We'll loosen these up. We'll take this off. It's got a hook on one side usually. The hook just unhooks like that. Then we're going to disconnect the battery leads, and follow this carefully. We're going to disconnect the negative side first, the black cable usually, or black indicator. This is going to make the positive side with no charge, so we won't be able to get zapped or anything. So we'll disconnect this. Now we don't have to worry about disconnecting the positive side. So we'll loosen this one up, disconnect that. Now, grab the handle, pull this dead battery out. Okay, so when you guys go to the auto store, you should see on the side a shipped date on one side and there's a manufacturer date on one side. You're going to want to pick out the newest one. You don't want an old battery that's been sitting around for a year, because even if it hasn't been used, it still wears some of the life out. So you're going to want to get the newest one. And for the kind of battery, it's better to buy a battery with a longer warranty, like a 5-year warranty battery. Don't get the cheap 2-year one. Spend the extra $30 or $40 and get one that you're not going to have to worry about replacing for around 5 years. I've had really good luck with the AutoZone Gold batteries. We'll put the new battery in. I'm just doing an example like this, and when we're reconnecting it, we're going to want to do it the opposite. We'll put the positive one back on first. We'll tighten it down good and tight. You want to make sure these leads are nice and tight so it'll get a good connection. Make sure it's seated all the way down on the post too. Clean off all the corrosion while you're at it. I got a video on how to do that too. Then we'll connect the negative lead. So now the negative, we can't get electrocuted on the negative. So we'll connect that one second when we're reconnecting it. We'll tighten this one down good and tight. There we go. Then we're going to want to get our bracket. Hook this one back on this side. And we'll tighten down each side good and tight. There we go. Of course, we'll make sure to start it up. Make sure it works. You're going to have to reset your radio presets too. Alright guys, and that's it. That's how to change your car's battery. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.